So an instrumentalist, or another word or another way to characterize instrumentalism, is called non-realism, right? Is is even more pronounced in the founders of quantum mechanics.
Yeah, a lot. So he talks about Heisenberg, which is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, and he says that in a paper in 1925, he comes up with this quantum theoretical mechanics based exclusively on relations between quantities observed in principle. In the body of the paper, Heisenberg not only rejects any references to unobservables, so those pesky things that we kind of just say exist, but we're not sure. He also moves away from the very idea that one should try to form any picture of a reality underlying his mechanics. So, whatever gobbledygook you came up with to make the equations work, it's not even worth it.
All right. So not only does he posit Heisenberg, but then Schroeder.
Good old Schroeder.
The cat fame.
Wants to either love or hate his cat.
That's right. He says, although Schroeder originally tried to visualize what his famous equation said about the unobservable realm, he quickly demurred from any realist interpretation.
Yeah.
So we have Werner Heisenberg, and we have Schroeder, and then Erwin Schroeder, and then we have Niels Bohr. Again, was an instrumentalist, right? Is famous for his ongoing debate with Einstein about whether quantum theory should be interpreted realistically, right? It is Bohr's notion of complementarity, a kind of uneasy, agree to disagree situation between what seem to be contradictory aspects of the subatomic particle, right? The particle acts as a particle. No, it acts as a wave. No, it acts as a particle. Well, you can't have it both ways. Well, yes, you can. Right?
Yeah. However you want to look at it.
Right. So this non-realist position was consolidated at the time of the famous Solvay conference in October 1927 and is firmly in place today. Right. Such quantum non-realism is part of what every graduate physicist learns and practice, right? So if this is right, then today's two main physical theories had instrumentalist or non-realist foundations.
Right.
So there you go. So even the beginning of the most two famous theories that we hold today, most confirmed theories, probably in the existence of science, had instrumentalist foundations.
Right. Yeah. Right? Yeah. I mean. I think he makes a joke later on as any argument that starts out with quantum mechanics says, you can pretty much discount it because no one really quite knows what they're talking about yet.
Yeah.